Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing my new favorite pillow. This is the shredded gel dual-sided memory foam pillow from Rainmr. And this is a very unique gel foam pillow. If you have thought in the past that one memory foam pillow is the same as another memory foam pillow, that is not true. They are not all the same. This one is very high quality, has all the features you're going to want, and it is dual-sided. It has one side that's more for softness, and then another side that's more for coolness and keeping you cool. Very distinct sides with very distinct purposes. But then inside of here is gel infused shredded memory foam, which means it's also going to contour to your neck, to your head. Perfect for side sleeping, back sleeping, stomach sleeping. It doesn't matter. You can make this work for you. So let's talk about what comes in the box. So when you open up the box, of course, it's going to be come in a box all shrink wrapped and compact, and you're going to take it out. You do have extra gel shredded gel memory foam in there for using with this in case you need it. So you'll get that out, and then you have this, and it's all packaged up. You open it up, and of course it's flat and taking up no space at all. But then you fluff it up. You can throw this in the dryer and let it run for a few minutes on low heat in order to fluff it up, or you can just manually fluff it up, which is what I do, and just give it some time, and it will fluff up, and suddenly it is full and nice and thick. And then you can remove some of the shredded memory foam from inside of here in order to get it to the perfect thickness for you, depending upon whether you're a side sleeper, back sleeper, stomach sleeper, and just what's comfortable for you, because I sleep on my back a lot as well as on my side a lot. So I kind of have to go for what's perfect for both of those sleeping positions. And this pillow is super comfortable for either of those positions. Now that gel memory foam, sometimes you'll get a memory foam pillow and it has just kind of chunks of memory foam. But having that shredded memory foam where it has the small pieces, but then also the shredded fibers in between and the gel infused makes a huge difference. That is the only kind of memory foam pillow I like to use because it works better. It contours to your head and your neck and the way you sleep, to me, a lot better than any of the other memory foams. It's that really high-end memory foam, and that's what this pillow has, and it works great. And I love that I can, take some out, put some in to get it to the thickness that works best for me. But also the design of this pillow. There are two distinct sides to it. And you can see when I unzip it on the inside, those two distinct sides. One side that is just meant for nice, cool softness. And then the other one that is literally a cooling side that gives you this it helps if you are sleep hot, or if you feel like the pillow, your head against the pillow is too warm, use the cooling side. It has a cooling effect. It is literally infused and created with fibers that will help keep you cool at night. The exterior also has those two distinct sides, so it's easy to tell. The cooling side here is a little bit more of a, just when you touch it, it's a little bit more slick. You can tell that it's a little bit cooler. And then the other side is a little bit more soft. And so depending on whether you want the softness or the coolness, you can flip it either way. There's also a tag on the end that shows you which side is which. So even when it's in your pillowcase, it's easy to tell. And then, like I said, when you see it on the inside, you can see the inside case that holds the memory foam also is different on one side than the other because they're specifically meant for the cooling versus the softness. You can go either way. Now, either side is comfortable. So don't think that you're sacrificing comfort in order to be cool or vice versa. It's just the one side has the elements to help keep you even cooler. But if you're not cooler, like if you sleep and you're not sleeping hot at night and you don't need the cooling, then you would just sleep on the cotton soft side. And either side is you're still having that experience of a shredded gel memory foam pillow. Really excellent. When you first open it up, besides fluffing it up, you also need to let it air out because it's been, shrink wrapped and in that packaging for a long time. So you'll want to let it air out for a day or two. Just put it in an open room or put it outside, let it air out completely, and then you're ready to go. Very soft and very comfortable. It's going to help you sleep well at night. If you're looking for a great pillow, If you're looking for a memory foam pillow, this gel infused shredded memory foam pillow, dual sided, cool side, soft side, from Rainmr is definitely the pillow to look at. It is an excellent pillow and definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this pillow, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions about it, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.